easy. I'm from the parish of St. Mary. I'm 34 years old. Yeah, that's me. I've been writing poetry since I was 14, so I think that's 20 years. What drew me to it? It was actually, there was a club at my high school, drama club. They had performances and so on for a school assembly, and that kind of attracted me. So I entered one time, and it was kind of love at first sight where that was concerned. It's not my first time. I entered it in 2024, I believe. Obviously, I did not win at that time, but we took the experience of that time, and we refined, and we came back, and we did much better this time around. It's an honor. Miss Lou is a great Jamaican icon. She kind of gave us permission to see ourselves, how we speak, our culture, our dialect. It gave us permission to express those things in literature. So obviously it is an immense honor, and I think the world of Miss Lou. So yeah, it's an honor. Well, first and foremost, the first thing that I can think about is validation. It validates that I have a voice that people want to hear, and then it kind of reinforces me wanting to express that voice even more. So again, it's an and I'm going to keep on using that voice. As long as people want to hear, I'll definitely keep on using my voice. Patois in a Jamaican context, first and foremost, it is a language. It's been recognized by several language boards as a legitimate language. It bears all the hallmarks of language. Not only does it is derived from English, but other languages, other popular languages, other major languages in the world are also derived from languages of the past. For example, the first thing that comes to mind, French, Italian, Portuguese, all of these languages were regional dialects of Latin. So it is a language. All right, so that's out of the way. Art always legitimizes culture in the long run. It's been that way in Jamaica even before independence. From ska, reggae, all of these were underground, they weren't part of the mainstream. Once they became part of the mainstream, it re-emphasized our culture. And I think that poetry in that vein also legitimizes not only patois, but broader sections of our culture. The name of the poem is Stone Mash Glass Eventually. The idea for the poem has been kind of an amorphous idea at the back of my mind for some time. You can call it years. But in terms of putting it to paper, in terms of refining it, in terms of getting it contest ready, that took a few hours. So the piece is about an elderly market woman. She is kind of stuck in the past, stuck in her ways, and that's against the backdrop of a rapidly accelerating Jamaican culture. The economy is going forward, culture is going forward, youths are going forward, everything is going forward, but she's kind of stuck in the past. So, and I do have a muse for that piece. My grandmother is a muse. So I remember at one point she was having some difficulty using her smartphone. And I thought, well, you know, I kind of explorated, kind of like expand that idea, that thought of her not being able to utilize, you know, a piece of technology. And so that's how the piece came to life. Definitely Miss Lou, of course. There is Senior Oliver May. There are others that don't come to mind, but definitely those three for sure. What I want readers, listeners, to take away from my poem is I want them to acknowledge the poem itself as I want to say permission to express yourself, to have a voice, and to do it to the best of your ability. And in the context of Jamaican culture, nothing about our culture is to be shown, nothing about our culture is to be ashamed of. Always use your voice how you want to use your voice. As long as there's someone to listen, there's always a place for your voice. That's what I want to take away from my piece. I wouldn't necessarily characterize them as rituals or routines particularly, but I like stillness, I like silence. So usually when I'm writing or when I'm in a creative mode, I usually like to do that either late at night or early in the morning before there's anyone around. So that kind of stillness kind of lends itself to my creative process. Stone mash glass eventually. Me perch pan me low stool from first light. Concrete cool like back a church bench. Inside my head, English line up neat. Years of radio news, years of silence trained itself. I tell myself the city must change. I tell myself a stone knows how to wait. Around me, the new Jamaica stretch upward. Glass jaw clenched against a hard blue sky. Tower them blink where yard once breathe. Shine like them forget who mix smarter. Money move slick like oil pan rain. Progress, forever forward, never looking back. But me mouth no talk like me thoughts. Buy one, get one, food I fi eat, I call. Callaloo, still cool from night dew. Stone, hand plant this. Them passing starch press uniform. Crease sharp, like them future already decide. White shirt, hold no sweat yet. Shoe sole, innocent of mud. Them phone shine more than them eye. It glow like second sun. Warm them face and blind them to shadow. One girl pause. She could have been my granddaughter if time did show mercy. Prefect badge swing pan her chest. Silent authority flashing. She sidestepped my basket gently, as if free my scratch ambition. My basket, tired, handle wear thin like old proverb. Straw remember weight. Yam belly, green banana, and grief. Mango bruise from fall and hunger. This basket hold me decades. In my head I think, stone always under glass. In my mouth I say, walk good baby. Because anger chipped the spirit wrong. and my strength work slower. I remember Kingston when woman vice run market, same way men run politics. I remember fighting price with laugh, raising picnic with kind money, courage and faith, hard like gravel. Now, crane them move slow. Metal giraffe nibble skyline. City speak fluent future. Pronounce my name wrong. Sun lean down heavy. Branding iron, testing stone. Still there here though. My back curve, but stone endure. It no break, but it carry weight. My voice crack, but it carry weight. Every star shirt pass through my shadow. Every glass dream rest on my ground. Stone no rush glass. Stone remember time. And time always on my side.